Welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 20 of your daily English speaking practice series. So far, you've learned to talk about your daily routines, past experiences, and future plans. Today, we'll focus on a very important skill, describing people, places, and objects in English. This helps your English sound rich, vivid, and natural, and it's useful in almost every conversation. So, let's dive in and make your English more colorful and expressive. One sunny morning, Rina decided to take a walk through the old town near her city. She loved walking there because it was full of colors, sounds, and interesting things to see. As she walked along the cobbled streets, she noticed a small bookstore. It was old but charming, with wooden shelves and a slightly creaky door. Rina thought, "This place is so cozy and welcoming." Inside, she saw a man reading a thick book. He had round glasses, a kind smile, and gray hair. She whispered to herself, "He looks wise and friendly." Rina continued walking and saw a bakery next door. The bakery smelled sweet and fresh, with bread, cakes, and cookies on display. A little girl in the bakery wore a bright yellow dress and was happily eating a chocolate cupcake. Rina smiled and thought, "What a joyful scene." Then she sat on a nearby bench and looked around. The trees were tall and green, birds were chirping melodiously, and the sunlight created soft shadows on the street. Rina realized that describing what she saw, felt, and noticed made her day even more special. She took out her notebook and wrote, "The bookstore is old but charming. The man looks wise and friendly. The little girl is happy and playful. The bakery smells sweet and fresh. The trees are tall and green." By describing everything around her, she was practicing English naturally while enjoying the day. Let's learn how to describe people in English. Repeat after me. He is tall and slim. She has long brown hair. They are friendly and kind. He looks serious but helpful. She is wearing a blue dress. His eyes are bright and curious. Now try making sentences about someone you know, like a friend, teacher, or family member. Next, let's describe places. The park is big and beautiful. The library is quiet and cozy. The cafe smells fresh and delicious. The beach is clean and peaceful. The city is busy and colorful. Try describing your own favorite place in English. Use adjectives to make it vivid. Finally, let's describe objects. The book is thick and interesting. The phone is new and shiny. The bag is black and heavy. The flowers are bright and fragrant. The chair is wooden and comfortable. Practice by looking around your room and describing 5 objects in English. A. How is your new friend? B. She is tall, friendly, and funny. A. How was the park yesterday? B. It was beautiful, peaceful, and full of flowers. A. What about the cake? B. It was chocolate, soft, and delicious. Now, repeat the dialogue and try replacing the details with your own observations. Rina realized that describing people, places, and objects made her English more expressive. Before, she used to say, "It's nice" or "It's good." Now she could say, "It's cozy, colorful, and peaceful," which painted a picture in someone's mind. She wrote in her journal, "English becomes alive when I describe what I see, feel, and notice. Words can paint pictures." Remember, adjectives and details are your tools. The more you practice describing, the more fluent and confident you become. Let's practice some useful adjectives. Repeat after me. For people, kind, friendly, tall, slim, funny, serious, smart, cheerful. For places, beautiful, cozy, peaceful, busy, colorful, clean, quiet. For objects, big, small, new, old, soft, hard, heavy, bright. Now make sentences with each adjective. Example, the library is quiet and cozy. My friend is cheerful and smart. This cake is soft and delicious. Your challenge for today. Look around your room, house, or neighborhood. Pick one person, one place, and one object. Write 3 descriptive sentences for each in English. Read them aloud 3 times. Example, my friend is tall, kind, and cheerful. The park is big, colorful, and peaceful. The cup is small, white, and smooth. This practice makes your English richer and more natural. Amazing work today! You learned how to describe people, places, and objects, making your English more vivid and expressive. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Turn on the bell icon to never miss a daily English lesson. Keep speaking, keep describing, keep growing. See you later here on StoryTone English.